Ramirez. I am the sales manager here at Palm Harbor Homes, Hobbs and Seminole. Today, guys, I'm going to tell you guys what makes us different and why we're unique here at Palm Harbor Homes. I'm also going to go over some process of how we order homes here at Palm Harbor Homes and why you should buy a Palm Harbor Homes. So if you guys want to follow me to the kitchen, I'm going to give you guys some tours and some examples of how to choose colors in our Palm Harbor Homes. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm here in the Colossal. Today what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to give you a little tour of how we work here at Palm Harbor Homes and what makes us unique, what makes us different, and why you should purchase a manufactured home from Palm Harbor Homes. So you guys can see today I gathered and I had some time to get some boards, show you guys the different options that we have. So the first step that we do here at Palm Harbor Homes, after we have our customer pre-approved, we get their order confirmation. This is how it looks like. You know, there's going to be several different pages. Talks about the standard features, talks about what you're getting, talks about the options you're getting, but also, you know, we have different options for you guys, starting from color cabinets. As we can see, Palm Harbor Homes provides you with different options. On this side, I do have our Palo Duro board. You know, this is going to be one of the options you're able to choose from colors from tiles, colors from backsplashes, colors from flooring, colors from the interior walls. You know, we have vinyl walls, we have tape and texture walls. But also, it talks about what you're getting standard. You know, most of our homes here at Palm Harbor Homes are going to be standard with so many standard options that you would not see anywhere else. For instance, you're going to see a standard stainless steel farm seat. You're going to see your standard 2x4 walls, interior, you know, not as competitors are you're seeing the 2x3s, we're actually giving you 2x4s. Another thing that we do different is going to be the way we build our homes. You know, we are the factory. What basically that means is that you're going to be coming to us. You're going to get your order confirmation. You choose your own colors. We're not a third party, second party. We are the factory. We might not have the factory outside, but you come to me or any salesperson here at Palm Harbor Homes, Hobbs and Seminole, and we make your home special, customized the way you want it. So another thing that we want to talk about is going to be why also you should purchase a manufactured home from Palm Harbor Homes. We are the only ones who offer you the 12-year structural warranty. You know, basically that means are going to be the bones of the house. If the 2x4s and start happening cracking, that's going to be your 12-year warranty. We offer you the 25-year warranty on your shingles, also the 15-year warranty on your flooring. We offer you the 5-year warranty on your stainless steel appliances and the 5-year warranty on your AC. See, those are going to be some cool warranties included in Palm Harbor Homes, Hobbs and Seminole. Another thing that we try to do here at Palm Harbor Homes is when our customers come in and it's a day to choose colors, we try to make it special. What that basically means is we'll get our iPad, have our 3D tour here, have the home here, and start choosing colors. You know, as you guys can see, I'm in the Colossal, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2 living areas, over 2,500 square feet. You know, I try to explain to customers what happens, what are you getting, so that we can have a clear and understanding of what you're purchasing. We don't want no confusions. We do everything perfect and perfect to understand what you're purchasing. So right here we start out with the exterior. You know, that's the first step that we do. We do the exterior just the way our order confirmation says. You know, exterior colors, you're going to be starting from the kitchen, the bathrooms, the master bedroom, all the bedrooms, interior colors. So you are going to see everything what you get in your house. We go line by line. So we don't want no confusion. We make everything easy for you, you know. Once we have completed our home and choosing all the colors, the next step is going to be sending this to the factory. You know, factory is going to customize this. They're going to make it the way as you want it. We'll be sending this to you to verify the colors are correct. Once it's that being completed, we'll order your house, you know. That way you could be in the factory line having your nice home as well. Right now when I'm here at the Colossal, as you can see, I did bring the cabinets. Palm Harbor Homes does something unique, you know. You're able to choose 2-color cabinets in your kitchen. You know, I don't know if you're able to see it, but here we do have the white color cabinets, the gray color cabinets. You know, that's an option. It's standard actually, but you don't have to get both colors. So that's going to be something cool about Palm Harbor Homes. Again, we did talk about your standard farm sink. That is standard. You're not paying extra for this. Another thing that we're trying to talk about are going to be your appliances. You do get your refrigerator. You do get your range hood. Those are going to be standard features in the house. So again, guys, here at Palm Harbor Homes, we make everything easy for you guys, starting from colors, choosing the correct home. And it's not only in this home. It could be any Palm Harbor Homes from Forward, from Austin that we do here, guys. So come on in here at Palm Harbor Homes, Hobbs and Seminole. We're gonna start choosing colors whenever you get pre-approval, have the correct order confirmation for you guys, make everything easy, fun, and have everything going smooth. So if you guys wanna follow me to the rooms, I'm gonna go a little bit over what you're getting standard in the house and what you're gonna purchase, okay? All right, guys, I'm here in the master bathroom in our colossal. So as you guys can see, I was telling you guys options about our cabinets, you know. This bathroom actually has 2 color cabinets. You're gonna see the white one and the green one. These are gonna be our most popular color cabinets. Again, you have the green one, the white one. We also have an option of the Smoky River one, standard. You also have an option of the light brown one, also gonna be a standard. And here we have the one that is called the blue shaker. This is gonna be also a popular color. Coming soon, we should be getting a color an olive green. That's gonna be a new style we have here at Palm Harbor Homes coming. So guys, come see this soon as well. You're also gonna get your standard faucets, our black chrome, you know, we make this more unique for you guys. It's black, chrome gives it more unique style in the house. You do get your standard porcelain sinks, easier to clean, longer lasting. You do have a lifetime warranty on your faucets, okay guys? Another thing that I do want to mention to you guys is that we are giving you guys on our Palm Harbor Homes, you're going to get standard, the vinyl walls, only in the wet areas, Palm Harbor Homes forward. You're going to get your vinyl walls. It's still going to be half-inch sheetrock. Half-inch sheetrock. A lot of people ask questions about this, you know. This is going to be a plastic, it's not going to be paper. Behind this, you're getting half-inch sheetrock. The benefit about this is going to be that it's lasting longer, you know, especially whenever you shower, you're going to get a lot of moisture in the bathroom. Well, this is protecting it because it's plastic, and instead of messing up your sheetrock, it's covering it for longer lasting. Kids tend to get crayons, make it dirty. Well, this is going to be easy to clean for you guys. We have different color options for this as well. So if you guys want to follow me to the master bedroom, I'm going to show you guys more a little bit of other options. You're able to choose colors there as well. I'm in the master bedroom in a Palm Harbor home. You know, on the main area, so you're going to see your tip and texture walls, having sheetrock. You do get an accent color behind it, and then your main color panel throughout the house. That is going to be in a Palm Harbor home. It could be any other Palm Harbor homes. You do get an accent wall, and you also get the main color panel. Choose 2 colors. You are going to get your standard 2 fans. It's going to be in the master bedroom and the living room. You get 2 free standard fans. Another thing that I want to talk about in any Palm Harbor homes, you're going to get your 2-inch blinds. You know, you don't have to pay extra for that. You're getting included for this. That is something already included again. You don't have to pay extra, longer lasting. Once the house gets ready and set up, you already have your blinds set up as well, guys. You are going to get standard carpet as well in your living area, in your bedrooms. We do different options, guys. We're able to customize the home the way you guys want it. So if you guys want to follow me to the last room, and I'm going to tell you guys more options that we have for you guys. Okay guys, so right here you guys can see we're in the Colossal floor plans. If you guys come here to Palm Harbor Home Seminole, we're going to let you know why we call it the Colossal. But I do want to let you guys know that it's not only the Colossal that we have several different options. Right now we're in the extra wide. You guys can get closer to 2,600 square feet. But we also have it available in a 30 by 66. This particular floor plan is we have almost 10 different layouts, 10 different square footage of this home. So also it's not only the Colossal. In any Palm Harbor home that you buy, we have it available in several different options of square feet as well. And you're gonna see different of these from all of our homes. Now on this side, again, you are gonna be choosing colors for your halls, your bathrooms. In this home, you do actually have 4 bedrooms. You are gonna see the main panel of color in the walls. It's gonna be for all the same rooms standard. You're not paying extra on that. Now on this side, if you guys want to follow me, we are in the family room, the den. You can make this room as however you want to call it. The man's cave, the woman's sewing room, whatever you want to make it, you know. This is going to be an extra room. Again, you're able to make it modified the way you guys want it. You do have also regular tip and texture in the walls. You do have 2x4s in the walls. You're able to have your own colored carpet. There's just many different options, you know. This right here is going to be our beams, you know. Behind this wall, our homes are already going to be set up for you to set up your TV with no extra cost. They're already going to be ready for you guys. Again, in our home, we put a particular fireplace It could be either wood burning or electrical, an option for our customers. We just make our homes unique and different. Why? And that way you guys could choose your own colors as well. Well, today guys, I give you guys a little bit of more information why you should purchase a manufacturer here at Palm Harbor Homes. I'm also going to give you guys more information here at our store and all the options that we have available for you guys. So if you have any questions, our phone number is going to be 432-201-1480. Our whole team here at Palm Harbor Homes, Hobbs and Seminole, we're bilingual. We're able to help you out. So don't be afraid, guys. Come here to Palm Harbor Homes, give you guys all the options. Our homes are better built. And also, guys, something here at Palm Harbor Homes, what they just did do for all of our customers, we're giving you guys all the videos, our YouTube videos, to see how we start homes from scratch, from the beginning to the end, in transportation. So, guys, thank you for having your time here with me, Jesus Ramirez. If you have any other questions, again, our phone number is going to be 432-201-1480.